Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So these earbuds have touch areas at the back side, right here at the top, and also on the sides. We have touch areas right here, and you need to press and hold at the touch area on the side to call a Siri on your left earbud. So you need to press and hold on that. Now I need to put it to my ear and then let's check it. So press and hold. And as you can see, I just awake Siri. We can also add it for the side touch area for the right earbud. If we go to the Huawei AI Life application, then you need to tap at your earbuds here. If you add your earbuds, you will see them at the device list. Then scroll down and go to gesture control. Now you need to click pinch and hold. And just tap at this line with the right earbud and call and select Awake Voice Assistant. Now let's check it. So I'm going to press and hold, and as you can see, Siri also awake. And we can add it also for the double press for the backside touch area, for the left or right earbud. You need to tap, click at the top, and then only for the double press, because for the triple press we have nothing to call voice assistant. So let's say I wanna call it with the left earbud at the double press. Select voice assistant. As you can see, for the right one we have the same. And now let's check it. So again, at the back side right here at the top we have touch area, so I'm going to double press on it. 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri also awake. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!